She said, let's go. And I've been waiting in the car for 34 minutes, waiting on them to come. Here they come.
Wish I had a good tank top. Bye.
Well, I forgot to film an intro to the video. So, here it is. Welcome back to Jarhead Jed. And this time, Jarhead Jed and family going on the Still Branch Falls adventure. And I waited till an uphill to start doing this, so I'm really out of breath. But I'm also out of shape, so there's that.
They're supposed to be drinking.
So come along with us, and I hope you enjoy the show. Alrighty, here we go. Still Branch Falls. Let's see if we can survive. Come here. Come here. Oh no, my wiener got loose. What will we ever do? Sarah! Come here, Sarah! So they all had to come up with names. Since I'm Jarhead, we've got Mama Jarhead or Miss Jarhead, Lil Jarhead up there. Introduce yourself, Little Jarhead. We got feral jarhead, and then we got jarhead junior. Family of jarheads. Gotta love it. Well, we are finally here at Still Branch Falls. Talk about a pretty waterfall for East Tennessee. Take a look at that. Can't hardly see it because the sun, hang on. Get a better shot of it. There we go. Bye-bye Falls, feral. Alrighty, so that was Still Branch Falls. Had to change a battery, so the rest of the family's ahead of me now. That was a pretty good little hike, about half a mile up here. It's quite a bit uphill, so I'm not gonna lie, I was out of breath, but it's not the end of the world. I feel pretty good, actually. So alright, let's catch up to them and alright, dude. What are your first impressions of Still Branch Falls?
I love it.
Is that it? You don't have any more commentary on it?
No, except for the waterfall was really cool.
Okay.
It
What'd you think about the hike?
was really cool.
Stay in camera, dude. So, it was just really cool. Was it hard or anything?
It wasn't too hard.
It was pretty uphill though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay, feral jarhead. What are your thoughts on the falls?
It was a good beginner trail with a lot of climbing. The waterfall was really pretty, and it was a great experience.
And this was Still Branch Falls, right?
Yeah.
Did you read that off a script? Did you read that off a script?
I don't know.
No. She gave my Miss Jarhead's commentary because Miss Jarhead doesn't want to be interviewed. Apparently she's camera shy. See? She's the picture taker.
Yay!
Alright, we got Lil Jarhead here. Tell me your thoughts on the waterfall, Lil Jarhead.
It was good and it was pretty.
It was good and pretty? Okay, well how was the hike up here? Huh? You gotta speak up.
Tiring.
It was tiring. It was only half a mile. You've done farther than that. Was it all uphill?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, alright, well that's enough I guess. She's camera shy too, like her mom. I think I wore them out. I'm still learning how to use it too.
Ooh,
Yeah, you're recording.
hi. Bye.